Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. So nice. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring
and
for a while.
Queen beds. Para sa dalawang queen.
Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters.
Hi guys, good morning. So today we are going to Singapore to meet our great esports family. So I'm on my way to the airport. I'm going there with Ian, Maggie Carp, and our talent manager, Miss Epo. So let's go. I'm just waiting for my grab. It's 2:30 a.m. and our flight is 5:50 a.m.
I put fists together, I assume my drip. I don't do the counterfeit, I'm too authentic. Thankful when I wake up in the morning. Don't hit my line if I want like what is concerning. I just wanna vibe out for the moment. I know you feel that too. I got some time, tell me what you wanna do. Hop in the ride, I'ma slide back the roof. Rotating my tires, sliding down the avenue. Curating the vibes like it's all I ever knew. Can't copy my style, I don't follow set of rules. You know the right decision.
Kakalampas lang namin ng immigration. I'm with Miss Epo and Maggie. 4 days lang kami sa Singapore to. Ito sila. Hi! Ang liwanag. Parang kukunin ni Papa Jesus. So, ang seat number ko ay 68. At si ate mo In ay 69. Ay! And then si Maggie ay 70. 68, 69, 70. Ay! Bongga! We're going to Singapore! Epo, kamusta ang biyahe? Natagtag ba ang bata? Akala ko kubaw. Natagtag ba ang baby? Grabe no, gagawin. Baby ba mo to? Alin? Eh? Ay, wow! Ito yung may tubig. Wala lang siyang tubig. Yeah. Eh di okay. Ang aga namin guys, it's still 9 a.m. And then yung check-in ng hotel is 3 p.m. pa. Speaking of hotel, we are going to stay at Marina Bay Sands. For social climbing. Special thanks to Bleed Esports again. It's going to be my first time sa Marina Bay Sands. So I'm excited. Pero diba, mga tiis ganda kasi ang lalaki ng maleta namin.
Enjoy your chicken rice.
Thank you. Thank you. Kuya, Pinoy ka? Opo. Wow, kung Pinoy si Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Archie. Social climbing mode at Marina Bay Sands. It's so nice. Kami sa room namin. Kanina si In ang 69. Ang seat number ko ay 68. At si ate mo In ay 69. Ay! Ngayon yung kwarto naman namin ng 69. Uy, bastos! Okay, mag-room tour na tayo with Miss Epo. Oh. Ay, bongga! Hi! And then, this is the bathroom. Wow! The CR. Ayan. O, bathtub. Saan ka, madam? Yan. Isa pang salamin. I think this is the bed. Kitty and 2 queen beds. Para sa 2 queen. Ah! Madam. Sabi niyo. So, ito ang ating set. And this is our view. Wow! Hindi ko alam guys kung makikita nyo ang view. But this is our view. The view from our room. Ayan. So, after 69 years. After 69 years, nakapag-check-in na din ng mga batla. Ang tagal namin naghintay, be. Dumating kami to 9 AM. Tapos, ang check-in ay alas 3. Imagine ninyo. Uy! Feeling ko tuloy ang yaman-yaman ko. Yaman-yaman! Social climbing at Marina Bay Sands. Bet nyo yan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Magkano to per night, madam? 800 USD ba? 30K po ang pinakamura. 30K! Pinakamura. Oh my God. Napakamura. Napapamura ka sa mura. Pero hindi kami ganang makakapahinga kasi magsa-start kami agad ng shoot 4:30. So 3:30 na. 1 oras lang kaming magpapahinga. Ito na yung pahinga natin. Ito na yan. Yung pag hilatechi natin. Nakakahiya kasi tinanong ko yung CEO namin, "Sir, are you going to stay here also?" No daw. Kami lang ang pinagstay niya dito. So, di ba, ganda-gandahan kaming 4. Okay, we're on our way to our shoot. Oy, napakaganda ni Akla, and Maggie. This is like, parang magiging naman siya masuden. Si Madam Epo. So, let's go. Work na. After ng konting pahinga, we're gonna work na. Sabi niya, acting nakahat sa loob ng mall. Sa labas kasi mainit. Let's go. Yay! Hindi na sila. Hello.
People like looking everywhere. Like you're going right. It's like the shot is.
It's blurred earlier. Go. Single, double. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Sige tayo. Single, double. Dinoble na ni Mata. Okay. So our shoot is done. I think we're going to eat dinner somewhere. So there's my co-talents. We're looking for somewhere to eat. Hi! Okay, so kakain mag-isa ang batla. I wanted chicken rice, pero there's so many choices around. And let's see. Okay, so dito tayo mag-eat chicken rice. Tapos na tayong kumain. The struggle is real. First time kong kumain ng nag-video. Na patakas-takas lang yung video kasi naiya ako. So, saludo talaga sa mga vlogger na Alam mo yon, yung kaya nilang mag-video, mag-isa, na kumakain. Ako kasi nahiya ako. So, but okay, new experience. Sana hindi na picturean at na-captionan ng ano, laban lang tayo sa buhay, ate. So, I just had chicken rice for dinner. And, babalik na ako sa aking room. Pahinga time. I'm back in the hotel room. We just had a long day. Very tiring lang talaga yung araw na to. But it was fun and marami kaming nagawa. So, see you guys sa next part ng vlog. That's going to be the day tomorrow. Yung second day of shoot namin and kung ano mang ganap namin tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye! Ice, what Tagalog words do you know? You say charot. Just say charot.
What's charot?
Charot. It's like joke.
Guys,
ang init. Ganito na ako ka-desperado. Nanonood na ako ng electric fan.